What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I am going to break down two trades real quick, AUDUSD and NAS100 that I did take. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. As you guys know, I usually look at the 1 hour time frame first. So around this time, of course, you can see on the 1 hour time frame, the market is currently bearish at the time. All right. So anytime I am looking at the 1 hour, I'm looking for a current trend, even though it's coming to a level of demand zone, which this would be a demand zone. I was still looking for sales just because of the simple fact that the market was giving me bearish indication. Okay. And as most of you guys know, I only trade New York session. So during New York, what I look for is a supply zone. Okay. Now, currently, of course, you have these lows being broken, which is this low broken, that low broken, that low broken. Okay. Now, at this time, I was looking at NAS100. So right when I switched back to AUDUSD, I realized that there was a supply zone being created. Okay. And I'll show you exactly where that supply zone was. It was right here. So I drew up my supply zone after the break of structure has happened to the downside, which is right here. What I tend to do is I don't really look so much in the past for a supply zone. Sometimes I look for a more recent supply zone that seems more valid to me. And this was my most recent supply zone. All right. So came back to reject this area, right? And that's when I'm like, okay, the market's really going up. But now it's like, if it breaks down, if it breaks this candle, which it did not, I needed it to break this candle. All right. And I wanted to get in around here, but I was looking at NAS100. So then I came back and I realized my setup was actually playing out. So I actually got in, let me see, around 412, right before this candle hit, 413. My pips was literally 6 pips. My 1-to-1 was literally right here. All right. And it easily just smashed my take profit. Okay. So as you guys know, I trade supply and demand. Okay. And this is like supply and demand is like one of the most effective strategies ever that I have personally traded, right? I've traded a lot of strategies, but for some reason, supply and demand is so legendary. Man, it makes my trading so easy. I get in and get out and I'm done for the day. I've never seen so many winning setups in my life. And this is the way I have been funded and gotten funded. Okay. So I've tried all the other strategies out there and it does not personally work for me. No matter how much I was in profit, it's never worked for me. Supply and demand makes it that simple, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and go to NAS100. I delete all this, and it's the same rules that applies, people. All right, the same rules apply. All right, so at this time we was over here. Like I said, I was fishing for AU as setups, but then I'll come back and look at NAS100, and I saw NAS100 just going straight up. So I already knew from the 1 hour time frame it was an uptrend, and even on the 5-minute time frame there was an uptrend as well. All right, so then I created a demand zone right here. All right, and I was waiting for a retest off that demand zone. All right, now some of you guys are probably wondering like, why did I not just get in right here and put my stop loss under here? Guys, when you have to, sometimes you have to wait, because if you just get in just because you see buy candles, the market can come down and just stop you out and you can be an unnecessary drawdown. You do not want to be an unnecessary drawdown. That's just all I got to say. All right. So then the market just continues down, hits, rejects, breaks this previous candle right here. So anytime I'm looking for rejection, remember, guys, I'm also looking for this candle to be broken. All right. So rejection, immediate bullish candle broken. All right. So I got in. And then from right there. Boom. Take profit was hit. It was really that easy. And actually my stop loss was literally right here. So you guys, this is a perfect video to showcase that supply and demand is really that easy. I am a scalp trader. Okay. I do nothing but scalp. I swing sometimes, but I don't swing a lot, because a lot of times, guess what happens? If you're trying to hold this trade all the way up, sometimes the market does this. And you don't want to be in the trade like that. Okay. And if you want to be in a trade like that, make sure you put your trade either at break even or make sure you put at least a little bit up in profit. Okay. And a lot of times people don't, do that. And the reason why they don't do that is because they get greedy and they feel like they have to, have all this extra money and get as much as you can from the markets. Give what the markets can give you. Now, if you're a swing trader, of course, this trading system is probably irrelevant to you, but it's still relevant to you in a lot of ways because you can get a good and great risk to reward ratio. You have 1 to 10, 1 to 5, 1 to 9, whatever you want, when it comes to swing trading, but also know that this is just telling you that when you're just in and out of the markets, it's really going to help you be disciplined and you can build your capital that way. Okay. So I hope this video was very helpful. Like and subscribe if you guys like it, share it, do whatever you want. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'm going to keep it moving. I'm going to keep it simple. And I hope you guys learn from this video. This is the best strategy, in my opinion. Look, I can keep going on days and days about it. And I'm telling you guys, it's really changed my life. And I hope it changes yours. All right, man, I'm out. Please.